welcome back. I don't know what that was, but it's Mascara Monday. Yay, yay, Mascara Monday, yay. Today we're gonna be trying out a new mascara from Neutrogena. It is the Hydraboost Plumping Mascara. This is the waterproof kind. I'm not really a fan of waterproof mascara, but this came in my Target beauty box. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. Why am I so, oh, there we go. Like I said, I'm not a fan. Breathe, Vanessa. Trying to say too much, and we got limited lung space here. I am usually not a fan of waterproof mascara, but this came in my Target box, so I was like, you know, let's just, can't even talk. Let's just try it out. If you buy this on its own, I think it's like $6.99 at Target. I don't know when this video will be up, so I don't know if the Target beauty box is still available, but I will have a link for it down below regardless if you want to get this mascara and a bunch of other products as well. This mascara says, makes lashes look beautifully silky, glossy, and long. Glossy? Formulated to help plump lashes from the core. Adds a boost of hydration and shine. Shiny lashes. Oh, that's interesting. Moisture intense mascara nourishes lashes, works to replenish stiff and brittle lashes, specially designed brush to maximize lash impact, non-smudging, non-flaking. All right, let's do this. So, if you're a mascara connoisseur like I am, then you can tell within the first couple of coats or the first couple of strokes on the lashes whether or not you're gonna like a mascara, and I don't like this mascara. It's really not doing anything for my lashes, and I'm not a fan of waterproof mascara, so I don't want to coat my lashes in waterproof mascara. So yeah, I would say this is a big fail. Like I can tell it's not gonna do anything for my lashes. I don't think I've ever tried a mascara from Neutrogena. I feel like Neutrogena should just skip, well, I take that back. I was gonna say I feel like they should just stick to skincare, but they do actually have a foundation that I like. This is definitely a fail for me, and I am giving up on it early because I can just tell like it's not, did I even put anything on my lashes? I did, but it doesn't look like I did. I feel like we've had a lot of fails lately. Okay, so that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured on Mascara Monday, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.